On the first day of June 2024, the world witnessed a major strategic shift in the Royal Netherlands Air Force. For the first time in history, the force's advanced F-35 fighters officially assumed the role of nuclear deterrent. The Royal Netherlands Air Force, or RNLAF for short, has announced that from now on, the 313 Squadron, equipped with F-35 stealth fighters, will be responsible for transporting and handling nuclear weapons provided to this country under the NATO nuclear sharing agreement. The historic change follows the delivery of these 61-12 tactical nuclear bombers to the Netherlands earlier this year, completing the replacement of older F-16 fighters at Focal Air Base. Due to its advanced stealth capabilities and outstanding nuclear weapon carrying capabilities, the F-35 fighters serve not only as an effective deterrent, but also as a strategic tool against international threats. This development, in line with the recent tensions between Europe and Russia and the developments of the war in Ukraine, plays a very important role in maintaining the balance of power in the region. The presence of F-35 fighters in Europe, which are capable of carrying and using nuclear bombs, directly affects Russia's offensive and defensive plans. But this is only a small part of the development of the Dutch military capabilities. The country is continuously expanding its long-range offensive capability using conventional weapons. The Dutch are planning to acquire Tomahawk cruise missiles for their next-class submarines, AGM-158B long-range cruise missiles for their F-35s, and the Israeli PULS multiple rocket launcher. These weapons not only strengthen the air and strategic superiority of the Netherlands in the region, but also help to maintain security and stability in Europe. The Dutch F-35 fighters are now not only the guardians of the country's airspace, but also the guardians of security and peace in the heart of Europe. Their presence is a symbol of the Netherlands' strength, commitment, and readiness to face global threats. This development is not only a change in Dutch military strategies, but also an important step in strengthening NATO's nuclear deterrence and ensuring the maintenance of the balance of power in today's complex, intense Europe.